Welcome, innovative founders and creators. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey that will revolutionize the way you pitch your ideas. Get ready to enter the world of jaw-dropping demos that will leave your audience in awe. Imagine stepping onto the stage and opening your pitch with a live showcase of your groundbreaking product. It's not just words anymore, it's a real-life experience that will captivate your audience from the very beginning. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the secrets of a show-stopping demo that will take your presentation to new heights. Preparation is the key. Don't just wing it, make sure your demo is polished and practiced to perfection. Anticipate any potential technical glitches and have a contingency plan ready. We're talking about smooth sailing here. But hold on, don't ramble on forever. Keep your demo concise, focusing on the core features and benefits that will blow your audience away. Time is of the essence, so let's make every second count. Now, here's the secret sauce. Seamlessly weave your demo into the storyline of your pitch. Let it flow naturally, as if it's an integral part of the narrative. By doing this, you'll not only showcase your product, but also create a compelling story that will linger in your audience's minds. It's a win-win situation. But wait, there's more. Use this moment to shine a spotlight on what sets you apart from the competition. Highlight those unique aspects of your product that make it a game changer. You're not just pitching a product, you're presenting a revolutionary solution that will leave your competitors in the dust. Now that's what I call a competitive advantage. After the jaw-dropping demo, get ready to dive into the nitty-gritty details. Talk about how your product works, its current stage of development, and your plans for future iterations based on market feedback. And here's a pro tip: engage with your audience. Encourage questions and feedback to create a lively discussion. It's all about building those connections and fostering a sense of community. Incorporating an electrifying demo into your pitch deck not only elevates the dynamics of your presentation, but also solidifies your startup's credibility and market readiness. Now, I'm dying to hear from you. Have you already taken the plunge and integrated demos into your pitch presentations? What challenges did you encounter, and how did it impact the reception of your pitch? Share your insights, and let's embark on this thrilling adventure together, fueling our visions with the power of demos.